Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share my latest project, a brand new ultra-wideband UWB antenna design I've been working on using Ansys HFSS software. This antenna is packed with impressive performance metrics, and I can't wait to walk you through the design process and results. I started by creating a 3D model in Ansys HFSS, focusing on optimizing the antenna for efficient operation across a wide frequency range, which is critical for applications like wireless communication, IoT devices, and radar systems. The design uses a substrate with specific dielectric properties and a carefully optimized geometry to ensure minimal losses and maximum efficiency. The results are fantastic. The antenna achieves a return loss of -25 decibels, reflecting very little power back to the source, a peak gain of 6.12 decibels for strong signal transmission and reception, and a VSWR close to 1 across the entire frequency range, indicating minimal impedance mismatch and maximum power transfer. I'm thrilled with how this compact and efficient antenna turned out, and I hope you found this overview informative. If you have questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it!